Today we're going to install the new auxiliary battery on a 2016 Chevy Malibu LT. I just made a video of how to remove it. Now we're going to install the new one. This new battery behind it came with a little kit. There it is. Let's go ahead and get this started. First things first, let's go ahead and put in the battery into the little battery bay. Alright, this little battery does have a little vacuum line, and on the original one it's on the side. This one is on the back. So let's go ahead and first start off by connecting this vacuum line. Alright, and first thing we're going to do is put in the positive terminal. Now this did come with a kit. This here, obviously it probably goes like this, but the way we're probably going to do this is using these small ones here. So I'm going to go ahead and use both hands. I'm going to slip this through here. Well, be nice if it focused. There it is. We'll slip this one in through there. Then we'll put this on top and put the screw on the top and start screwing it in. Alright, it looks like I was mistaken. Tried it with the small one. It didn't work. So the way I'm doing it is I'm slipping this one in. Right in there. Grabbing the negative terminal. Putting in the screw first. And then putting this one underneath it to give it that gap, just like so, because it doesn't screw in because of these, they're in the way. So that's why it comes with a kit, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this one. Alright, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and screw this on to here. I'm going to need both hands. Alright, and there it is, nice and solid. Now we're going to go ahead and grab this battery clamp and put it all the way down, just like so. And we'll go ahead and secure it with the original bolt right in there. Alright, so the top ones are Phillips and 10mm, as well as this bottom one. Gonna go ahead and use a ratchet to secure everything. Once we have everything secured, go ahead and put this flap back into its place, just like so, and secure this little flap. There it is. That is how you change out the auxiliary battery and install the new one on a 2016 Chevy Malibu. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.